Brass Knuckles just reacting to be.
It's being all. Wow. Don't say Joe. And let go. WrestleMania for the.
We just landed in Austin, behind the scenes of the WWE. I'm excited to see what's going to happen. It's going to be a fun time.
Hello, sir. How are you doing? Chris, nice to see you again.
Hey.
You!
Woo! You.
Hey, Brock Breaker.
You. He's not looking for me. I ain't do shit.
We're just gonna keep going down past the room to film a segment
What segment?
with Danhausen.
Oh, we're going to actually. Oh, it's going to be pre-recorded. Oh.
Hey, what's up, dude?